Hey, welcome to Why I Moved to Florida channel. My name is Christopher Beverly, and I'm here to turn your dreams into keys. Today we're in wonderful Deltona, Florida, checking out this amazing property that's priced at $378,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Let's go check it out. Really like this new area. There's a lot of new homes coming out. I really like this new built-in, I don't even know what it's called, exterior, but it's very nice. We're going to first check out the kitchen. You can see tile floor throughout the whole house. You have vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting. You have a big island here for when you're entertaining, you know, Thanksgiving, Christmas, plenty of area space to put your foods. Stainless steel appliances that are included into the home. If you have a lot of food, this is perfect. Check out this freezer. Tons of storage included with the home. Nice cabinets, shaker style cabinets. Slow close too, so if you're a late night eater and you don't want to keep the whole house awake, this house is for you. Now this, I would say this would be your dining room area. Have a long rectangle dining room. This would be your living room. Have your big screen TV. Now we're headed to the primary suite. Decent size, gets a lot of natural light. Now, if you have a lot of clothes, check out this walk-in closet. Plenty of space for all your clothes. Now, one of my favorite features is the primary bathroom. Check out how big this shower is. I'm 6'4". For scale, look at this. Imagine a long day of work, you come back and relax, and this is your oasis. This is your home. All the showers look like this too, not just in the primary suite. Let's go check out the other bedrooms. Now it's a split floor plan, so if you have some relatives or you have some kids, your primary suite will be away from the other bedrooms. Now this is a full bath. It can either be a guest bath as well. And this is one of the bedrooms that could be, you know, for one of your relatives, or it could be for one of your kids as well. All have decent sized closets. Each room pretty deep. Now let's go check out what could be another bedroom or your office. It gets a lot of natural light. This is probably the brightest of the rooms. Could be an office, but it also has a full bath. Shower big as well. I'll walk in so you can see how big it is. Look at this. With the bench too, so look at that. Kick back and relax. You earned it. You deserve it. This is your home. And this home can be purchased with no money down. I'll leave all of the details in the description below. Let's go check out the laundry room. Close this. Got plenty of storage here. This is the HVAC. It's a nice hall closet as well. Towels and all your whatnots in there. Now, check out this laundry room. Washer and dryer hooked up, tons of storage up here. That leads you right off of the garage, which is right here. 2-car garage, plenty of room for an SUV. You can have another sedan right here. You have some storage up top because the ceilings are pretty high. I'm about 6 feet, so probably like a 10-foot ceiling. Now let's lead into the kitchen. But yeah, if you have any questions on getting a home in here in Florida, I can help you. I have a lot of lenders available that can get you into a home with no money down. Also no PMI, which will save you $300 a month. I know this is a lot of details. I'll leave everything in the description below. And don't forget to reach out to me for a free buyer's consultation. I can help you no matter what position that you're in. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.